Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Virtual DJ in your PC. This is the modern Virtual DJ and latest version of Virtual DJ. Let's see how to download and install this software. First of all, search here like Virtual DJ. Now you are going to search result in Google. In the first web page you can see the software here. Click on it. Now you are in the official website of Virtual DJ. You can use this software as a free version, and if you want to buy this you can click here. Now I'm going to show you how to use this software as free. So first of all you can point to download button, then you will see here download button again. Click on it. Now it is asking from us which operating system you are using, Windows or Mac OS. If you are using a Windows computer you can click this button. If you have a Mac OS you can click this button. Now I am going to install this software to my Windows PC. Then I click on this button. You can see download is starting. It is 464 megabyte of file. We can wait until the download complete. Okay, download is completed. Click here. You can see the message called run. Click the run button. Okay, now you are in the setup in Virtual DJ. First of all, tick this I accept the terms in the license agreement, then click install. Okay guys, now you are successful install your Virtual DJ software. Now you can click launch Virtual DJ. Look, this is the first view of your Virtual DJ software. You can change your layout using these buttons: starter, essentials, pro, performance. I prefer to use very much and use pro version. It is easy to make your mixing. So in my next video I will show you how to mix in a 2 music track as using this software. Okay, have a nice day. Next video is reviewing this software again, and you will learn many things using my videos. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.